Oil leaks on the 2021 and newer Silverado 2500HD with the 6.6-liter gas engine often point directly to a failing oil cooler. Fixing this issue requires draining the engine fluids, unbolting the cooler housing from the block, and replacing the degraded internal rubber gaskets. Spotting this persistent leak early is crucial because it prevents major internal damage caused by unexpected oil starvation. Look for dark engine oil pooling on the front driver's side of the skid plate, or pay close attention to any pressure drops on your dashboard gauge. The oil typically drips down from the side of the engine block, located exactly above the oil filter mounting area. Preparing for this repair takes standard hand tools with the truck parked safely on a level surface. You must completely drain the engine oil along with the coolant, because the cooler unit circulates that fluid to regulate your engine temperature. Removing the cooler housing without fully draining the cooling system beforehand will create a massive mess across your entire garage floor. Accessing the oil cooler is easiest from underneath the truck, starting by removing the old oil filter to clear up workspace. Carefully disconnect the rubber coolant hoses attached to the cooler body before extracting the main retaining bolts holding the assembly against the block. Once those fasteners are out, pull the aluminum unit away from the engine carefully to avoid damaging surrounding parts. Thoroughly cleaning the mating surface on the engine block is critical, as any old material left behind guarantees a new leak. Firmly press the new factory specification gaskets into the machined grooves on the back of the cooler housing to ensure they are perfectly seated. Bolt the assembly back onto the block using exact factory torque specifications. Reattach the coolant lines and install a fresh oil filter. Refill the engine crankcase with synthetic oil and replenish the cooling system using the proper DexCool antifreeze mixture. Start the engine to let it idle until it reaches normal operating temperature so fluids circulate fully through the newly sealed components. Grab a bright flashlight to carefully inspect the cooler mating area and the skid plate below to confirm there are absolutely no fresh drips.